Now I am going to discuss about the working of RO membrane. RO membrane works on the principle of reverse osmosis. It has many pores in the membrane, almost of 40 nanometer in diameter. When feed water is allowed to move with high pressure, many salts having diameter greater than these pores remains in these pores, while pure water passes through the membrane and it is collected in an outlet. This water is free from any impurity or total dissolved salt. In this way, the water gets purified. Now question arises, what are the methods to prepare RO membranes? Most commonly used RO membranes are made up of cellulose acetyl and polyamide. These are formed by the polymerization process. Cellulose acetyl membranes are formed by the acetylation of cellulose and acetic anhydride. OH group of cellulose is replaced by acetyl group, and in this way they further attach polymers to form long chains. While polyamide membranes are formed by the polymerization of amide group, and the reaction is as follows. As the time passes, many changes takes place in these membranes. For example, polymers like polyvinylidene fluoride (PVDF), polyvinyl alcohol (PVA), polyether sulfone (PES) has been used to enhance the efficiency and working of membranes. For example, recently, to increase the efficiency and permeability of the membrane, C15A is added. Now there are some general calculations to find the salt in our permeate or pure water. First one is percentage salt rejection. It means how much of the salts are rejected from the membranes or does not in our pure water. It is calculated by the difference of conductivity of feed water and permeate water divided by the conductivity of the feed water. Greater the percentage of salts rejected, greater is the efficiency of the system. Next one is percentage of salt. How much percentage of salt is present in our pure water? It is calculated by simply taking the inverse of percentage of salt rejection. If the lower amount of salt passes, the greater is our efficiency of the system. Now there are some problems which take place with RO membranes when we didn't go through the proper treatment of the membranes. First one is fouling. Fouling is the contamination of chemicals on the surface of the membranes, which can be seen with naked eye. It may be due to different chemical reactions or different inorganic salts which are found in water. It is treated by using multimedia filters, etc. Second one are scales. Scales are formed due to calcium or potassium in our feed water. They precipitate out in the membranes and decreases the efficiency of the membranes. Therefore, some anti-scaling agents are added according to the chemistry of the scales which are formed. Next one is chemical attack. Some membranes are not able to bear strong chemicals like chlorine and chloramines, so these destroy the membrane pores and its efficiency is totally lost. So we have to check these chemicals. Next step is RO cleaning. How we can clean our RO membrane. For the efficient working of RO membrane, we have to clean it 1 to 4 times per year. If pressure drops or accumulation of salt is more than 50%, then it has to clean more rapidly. Now moving towards application, RO membranes has vast application. It is used in almost every field. For example, in chemical industry, in food and beverage industry, in pharmaceutical industry, in textile industry, and almost for the purification of the pure drinking water. Now discussing about its application in chemical industry. In chemical industry, it is used to treat pure water and to treat water which is used in the reactions. For example, it is used in the pre-treatment and also for the post-treatment in some chemical reactions. In food and beverage industry, it is used in fruits and in food and beverage industry, it is used to remove bacteria and viruses from water. When we wash fruits and vegetables, then this water should be free from any bacteria or viruses, because this is further used for the manufacturing of our drinks or juices, etc. The purified water used in industry